We're here at Collegetown Plaza. Let's take a look at studio apartment 2J. We're down on floor 2, which is the lowest level here in the building. You can see as we enter through the kitchen, there's the refrigerator, the sink and microwave, there's the stove and oven, there's cabinets and drawers. Let's go and look in the bathroom, which is across from the kitchen. This is the same style bathroom we've seen elsewhere in Collegetown Plaza. So we'll have the full-size tub shower, the vanity, the toilet, and there is a medicine cabinet as well. Let's go on into the apartment. You can see over on our right, we have our dining table and chair. There's the dresser, there's the desk and chair. You can see the air conditioner in the window, the full-size bed. Over on the left here, we have the bookshelf. We'll take a peek in the closet. So this is the J style apartment. This is in the middle of the block of studios. The studios in this building are HIJKL. They're all in a row in the middle of the floor. They're all facing to the west. The difference will be what floor you're on. Here we're on floor 2, which is the lowest level. So what floor you're on will determine what you see out the window. Here on the lowest level, we are over the driveway level of the building. We still get some nice sky. You can see over here to the west. So we're over the driveway. So this is a second floor apartment. We're in 2J in Collegetown Plaza, 111 Dryden Road here in the center of Collegetown. We're just one block from campus.